Unlock a new level of precision in your Binance futures, trading by seamlessly integrating the power of Tradingview charts. Let's dive in and learn how to make this powerful combination work for you. First, navigate to your Binance Futures trading interface on the right-hand side. You'll notice a prominent button labeled Tradingview. This is your gateway to advanced charting. Clicking this button will instantly load the familiar Tradingview charting environment directly within your Binance trading window. Now you have access to an extensive suite of analytical tools. You can draw trend lines, add Fibonacci retracements, and apply a vast array of technical indicators like moving averages, RSI, or MACD, all without leaving your Binance platform. Explore different timeframes from minutes to weeks to identify potential entry and exit points with greater confidence. By analyzing support and resistance levels, chart patterns, and indicator signals on Tradingview, you can make more informed and strategic decisions for your Binance futures trades. This integration means you can seamlessly transition from analysis to execution, ensuring your trading strategy is backed by robust data and advanced charting capabilities. Mastering this integration will elevate your derivatives trading experience on Binance, empowering you with the precision and insights needed to navigate the markets effectively. Start utilizing Tradingview on Binance today.